Hi guys, today we are going to learn about curative petition. It is in news because the former Delhi government minister, Manish Sisodiya, has filed a curative petition in Honorable Supreme Court. He is facing various allegations of corruption and other cases. That is the reason because it becomes very much important. We will try to know as much as possible about the curative petition. First of all, when you talk about curative petition, it is the last resort to get justice. Especially, it is filed after the dismissal of the review petition. Our constitution or any act doesn't talk about the curative petition, but in our constitution, Article 137 talks about the review of the Supreme Court decision. That is the reason that it gets support. That is the reason that it gets support from the Article 137. So we'll know few important facts. Further, we'll move to the Bharat Ratna, which was recently been awarded. When we talk about curative petition or its origin, it has a judicial origin. Means in Ashok Hura case, it was invented by the Supreme Court to provide justice if any injustice has been done. When we talk about time limit, generally it is filed after the dismissal of review petition. Once review petition is dismissed, it can be filed within the 30 days. Uh, there are three important grounds for the curative petition, uh, which required to be fulfilled. Otherwise, it can be rejected. It is also important to know that it is a discretionary power of the Supreme Court to accept the curative petition or not. It is not right of a petitioner as far as curative petition is concerned. The first is violation of principle of natural justice. Second is any allegation of biasness against a presiding judge. A third is abuse of process of court. These are the three important ground on which curative petition is accepted. First, we'll know about what is the violation of principle of natural justice. Justice should not only be done; it should be seen to be done. That the justice should follow the equity, equality, and spirit of law. A person can't be judged in his own case. These are the few important things that needs to be done. If you talk about principle of natural justice, it has semblance of due process of law of uh, U.S. American jurisprudence. Means the justice should not be justice should not only follow the legal proceeding, it should also be right. these are these are the important grounds. Secondly, question of bias against presiding judge. There can be allegation that particular judge is biased due to various reasons, such as that particular judge has association with particular person, or he can have some family association, and etc. There can be various reasons for that, and it can be a ground for the curative petition. The third is that abuse of process of the court. Can be certain instances where anyone try to subvert the judicial proceeding for their own benefit rather than the larger society. There can be various instances, and it can be a ground for the curative petition. Now we are going to move to the Bharat Ratna. Recently, two personality, Karpuri Thakur, who was the Chief Minister of Bihar, and L.K. Advani has to be given the Bharat Ratna. That is the reason that it becomes important. When we talk about Bharat Ratna, it is the highest civilian award uh, instituted in the 1954, along with the Padma Vibhushan, Padma Bhushan, and Padma Shri. When we talk about Padma Vibhushan, Padma Bhushan, and Padma Shri, these are the three also important civilian award. Padma Vibhushan is second highest civilian award. Uh, Padma Bhushan is third highest civilian award, and Padma Shri is the fourth highest civilian award in India. It is generally awarded for the exceptional service in human endeavor. It means in art, literature, etc. Generally, maximum three persons can be given at a time for the this at a time, but there was a certain exception at a certain point of time. But in general, maximum of three person is awarded this award. The When we talk about first recipient, three important personality were given. First was C. Rajagopalachari. Second one Sarvapalli Radhakrishnan, and third one is C.V. Raman. So we will also try to know few important facts about this personality. First is C. Rajagopalachari. He was the last Governor General of India. After that, the position of Governor General of India was abolished. The second is Sarvapalli. And one important facts about C. Rajagopalachari was that he promoted the idea of nuclear disarmament for a nuclear free world. When you talk about Sarvapalli Radhakrishnan, he was the second president of India, and on his birth anniversary, Teachers' Day is celebrated on the 5th of September. So these are the important facts. When you talk about C.V. Raman, he got the Nobel Prize in Physics. He was first Asian to get award in physics for the scattering of light. So these are the important facts about these two important topics. Thank you.